Use Armrest touchscreen. The Armrest touchscreen is a touch-type operation system that can control convenient functions from the rear seat. A quick double tap on the screen turns on the screen, and you can adjust the climate control, seats, massage, sunshades, lamps, and more. The status of sterilization and wireless charging is displayed on the upper right corner, and a lock function can be activated to prevent erroneous operation by children in the rear seat. You can move to the desired function page with one operation through the left side menu of the screen. For example, if you want to dim the lights after setting the air conditioning to warm, you can enter the lamp screen with a single operation from the air conditioning screen. On the air conditioning screen, you can adjust the desired seat temperature, air speed, air direction, and seat ventilation or heating. On the seat screen, you can adjust the front seats of the vehicle. After touching the cushion of the seat you want to adjust, you can adjust the front and rear position, the height, and the angle of the backrest. In particular, you can adjust the seat to suit the situation by selecting rest mode, audio-visual mode, and reading mode. By touching the return mode, the seat used in the specific mode can be returned to the normal sitting position. On the massage screen, there are 4 massage modes for the whole body, waist, hips, and upper body. And you can set the massage intensity and duration. The foot massage mode can reduce an occupant's foot fatigue by applying pressure to the soles of the feet. To use the foot massage mode, move the passenger seat forward, lower the footrest, and activate the function to receive the foot massage. In the sunshade screen, power sun blinds, and electric door sunshades for the rear seats, and the rear electric sunshade can be raised and lowered. On the lamp screen, you can adjust the brightness of the lighting and the temperature of the lighting color, which allows you to set the lighting mood you want. For more detailed operation methods and precautions, please refer to the owner's manual.